Yes, good evening students. Welcome back to class. Today I am here to discuss about some important topics which are useful for your tomorrow's exam. Okay, today we are going to discuss about some key features of Indian Constitution. Before going to discuss about key features, first you have to know some points about Indian Constitution. Okay, in the era of 1934, INC, Indian National Congress, they demanded for formation of a Constituent Assembly. After some days, Constituent Assembly is formed, and that Constituent Assembly, they started drafting a constitution for India. They started in the month of December in 1946, and it is completed in 1949 November. After that, on 14th January 1950, all assembly members, they are signed on the constitution, and from January 26, 1950, it is came into force. Okay, these points you have to be know. Now we are going to discuss about key features of Indian Constitution. There are so many features are there for our constitution, but in your textbook they given only five features. So now we are going to discuss about those features here. What are those features? First one is federalism, and the second one is parliamentary form of government. The third one is separation of powers, and fourth one secularism, fifth one fundamental rights. Okay, right. What is federalism? Here, federalism refers to existence of more than one level of government. How? In the central level, central government. In the state level, state government. At a local level, panchayati raj. In our nation, there are three levels of governments are there. At central level, parliament is there. At state level, every state they have their own assembly, and in every district, local government is working here. Then why they divided like this? Why? Because it is become very easy to rule our country. So not only this, and they are shared power in between these level of governments. Here I will tell some example. There are three type of lists are there in our constitution. That is a union list, state list, and a concurrent list. The subjects which are in a union list, only central government take decision on the union list, and the subjects which are in a state list, only state government have rights to take decision on those things, and the subjects which are in a concurrent list, both governments, central and state government, they have equal right to take decision. Okay, here some examples are there. Once look at these examples. Okay, that is federalism. Then next one is parliamentary form of government. What is parliamentary form of government? Before going to know about parliamentary form of government, you have to be know about democracy. What is democracy? Democracy means in which governments the rulers are elected by the people. In which governments the rulers are elected by the people, that type of government is called as a democratic government. These elected peoples, they are representing their particular constituency or their particular area in parliament or in assembly. They are representing these peoples in various level of government, and those representatives have the rights to take decisions which are good for the people. They only make laws and govern the country. Here country or people, they are governed by the representatives. So this type of government is called as a parliamentary form of government. Okay, every adult of the country, they have voting rights. How they got a voting right? According to universal adult franchise, every citizen of the country who attain 18 years age, irrespective of their caste, color, gender or social background or economical background, they will get a right to vote. So here mainly two important parts are there. First one is a universal adult franchise. According to universal adult franchise, each and every citizen who attain the 18 years age, they will get a right to vote, and these peoples, they are electing their representatives, and country is ruled by the representatives. So this type of form of government is called as a parliamentary form of government. Okay, this is a second feature. Now we are going to discuss about the third one, the separation of powers. Separation of powers. In the federalism, we discussed about level of governments. What are the level of governments? At central level, central government; at state level, state government; at local government, panchayati raj is there. These are each level of government contain three organs. Otherwise, each level of government again divided into three organs. What are the three organs? First one is legislature, and executive, and judiciary. Okay. Each level of government, they are again divided into three organs: legislature, executive, and judiciary. What is legislature? It refers to our elected representatives. In parliamentary form of government, the rulers are elected by the peoples. Those rulers called as a representatives. Those all representatives, those peoples who are elected by the peoples, the rulers who are elected by the peoples, they are comes under in the legislative part. They will make bills, they will make laws, they will introduce bills in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, and they only have right to make the law. The people who are in legislature, they only have right to make law. And the next, the executive part, the people, the small group of peoples who are in the executive part, they are responsible for the implementing these laws. For example, some traffic rules introduced by the legislature organ. Those rules and regulations, who will implement here? The executive part of peoples. Who are there in this organ? Police officers, IAS officers, some local level government officers. Those are all comes under in the executive part. And the next organ is a judiciary. It provides a mechanism for resolving disputes which are occur in between any citizen, or which are occur in between state and district, or state and state. Okay, every state have their own judiciary system. Every state have one high court. Okay, this is a judiciary system. This is about a separation of powers. Okay, the next one is fundamental rights. These are consigned of Indian Constitution. Very important feature this is. What is the use of these fundamental rights? They are protecting us from absolute power or arbitrary system. Okay, initially there are 7 type of rights are there. One is deleted. Now all citizens have only 6 types of rights. What are the rights? Right to equality, right to freedom, right to exploitation, and right to freedom of religion, the cultural and educational rights. Next one is right to constitutional remedies. Okay, these are the some important rights. The next one is secularism. What is secularism? Any level of government, they does not officially promote any religion. Okay, they does not officially promote any religion. So many countries are there. They are officially promoting one religion, but India is not like that. In our preamble, they are mentioned the word secularism. Here all the religion peoples, they have equal right to live here, and they have equal right to get benefits of these country or these governments. In secularism, they are not officially promoting any religion. Okay, these are about some features of Indian Constitution. This is very important question for tomorrow's exam. Once all of you after seeing this video, note down these important points and prepare well. Okay, thank you.